Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Mobile data is active and your plan allows tethering. Plug the USB cable into the phone and the PC. Make sure the cable is data capable, not charge only. On Android, go to Settings, right arrow Network, right arrow Hotspot and Tethering, and tap USB Tethering. On iPhone, go to Settings, right arrow Personal Hotspot and enable Allow others to join, then connect via USB. Once done, watch for the PC to recognize a new network interface and acquire an IP address automatically. Now configure the host so traffic flows through the phone. On Windows, open Network Connections and confirm the USB adapter appears, Remote NDIS or Apple Mobile Device Ethernet. Make sure the adapter is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically. On Mac OS, select the iPhone USB service and prioritize it in network settings. If the PC keeps using Wi-Fi, you can disable Wi-Fi or change interface metric. Once routes update, test by pinging 8 or loading a web page to confirm connectivity. To finish, verify browsing, streaming, or updates work normally, and monitor data usage to avoid overages. If the connection drops or never establishes, first reboot the phone and the PC, reconnect the cable, and try a different USB port. Cheap cables are often the culprit. Next, reinstall or update the phone drivers on your computer. On Android, toggling USB debugging sometimes clears connection negotiation. If carrier blocks tethering, use the carrier app or contact support. One final tip: check for phone OS updates that fix tethering bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.